Tata, you know? Bike. Ito nangyari, from 5 naging 2. Mark, what happened, mate? Alright, yes, Mark. Yeah, hello. So this is Tata, you know? Bike. Oh, see? Muntik pa, bike. Yeah. See that one, no? Wearing the headphones during run or bike is dangerous to your health, okay? Bye. Salam Bike Shop, we're good things never end. Salam Bike Shop, Bicycle LLC, Along Salam. Yun na yun. Mua chup.